If you want ChatGPT to give you better, more useful, and more consistent outputs, the secret isn't some hidden button or advanced trick. It's about training ChatGPT the right way using two powerful features: custom instructions and memory. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to train ChatGPT to improve outputs so it understands your preferences, follows your style, and becomes much more helpful over time. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple AI tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, let's talk about custom instructions. This is where you set the static rules you want ChatGPT to always follow. Think of it like giving ChatGPT a permanent set of guidelines. For example, you might want it to always be concise, avoid corporate jargon, write in a friendly tone, or use tables when presenting data. These instructions help shape every response without you having to repeat yourself every single time. To set this up, open ChatGPT and click your profile icon. This is usually in the corner of the screen. Once the menu opens, select Personalization. Inside that section, you'll see Custom Instructions. Click that option, and now you'll be able to fill in your preferences. In the first box, describe who you are. This helps ChatGPT understand your context. You could say things like student, content creator, software developer, business owner, or marketer. In the second box, explain how you want ChatGPT to respond. Be specific here. For example, you might say, use short step-by-step answers. Keep explanations simple, provide examples when possible, or use tables for comparison questions. The more clearly you describe your preferences, the better the output becomes. After you fill everything in, click Save. From that point on, ChatGPT will use those instructions as a baseline every time it responds. This is one of the easiest ways to improve output quality, because you're basically teaching the model your style once instead of repeating it in every prompt. Now let's move on to the second part, memory. Memory is different from custom instructions because it allows ChatGPT to learn from your conversations over time. Instead of just following fixed rules, it can remember useful details and adapt based on what you tell it. This is great if you want ChatGPT to gradually understand your preferences in a more natural way. To turn on memory, go to Settings, then Personalization, and then click Memory. Make sure the memory toggle is turned on. Once it's enabled, you can start teaching ChatGPT directly inside a conversation. For example, you could say, remember that I prefer Python for automation scripts, or remember that I like responses and bullet points. ChatGPT can store that information and use it later in future chats. This is especially useful if you work on the same kind of tasks regularly. If you're writing content, coding, researching, or planning projects, memory helps ChatGPT give you more relevant answers without needing to relearn your preferences every time. It makes the experience feel more personalized and efficient. A really important tip here is to be intentional with what you teach it. If you want better outputs, don't just say, be better. Instead, give specific feedback. Tell it what you liked, what you didn't like, and what format you want next time. You can even correct it inside the chat by saying things like, that was too long, make it shorter, or use a more professional tone, or give me 3 options instead of 1. That kind of guidance trains the model to match your expectations more closely. Another great habit is to combine custom instructions with memory. Custom instructions give you the foundation, while memory helps refine the experience over time. Together, they can make ChatGPT feel much more aligned with your workflow, your writing style, and your goals. So to quickly recap, if you want to train ChatGPT to improve outputs, first set your custom instructions by going to your profile icon, then Personalization, then Custom Instructions. Add who you are and how you want responses to look. Then enable memory and settings under Personalization, and teach ChatGPT your preferences naturally through conversation. Over time, this can dramatically improve the quality of the responses you get. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more AI tutorials, productivity tips, and step-by-step guides. And if you want, check out the next video where I'll show you even more ways to get better results from ChatGPT. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.